This is the garage. You'll notice there's no walls standing. We'll pan over here. This is the formal living room. Very few walls and very damaged furniture. Right over here was a covered front porch that, of course, now is just covered with debris, but used to be covered. The damaged room that you can see in the video was Kayla's bedroom. We'll go ahead and walk up here and take a look at some of the inside of the house. A closet that is still standing. Another look at the formal living room. Not so formal anymore. The kitchen. Somebody needs to clean this place up. I don't think it would get any good housekeeping seal of approval. Alright, we're moving the dishwasher. This was the dining room. Notice the chandelier been up. A utility room. Looking over here into another closet. The next part was a family room. There is absolutely nothing left of the family room. Also notice the swimming pool. It's been damaged. There was a white fence all the way around it. That very little evidence of that is left. The picnic table was about 20 feet from this spot, although it's fairly intact. Right on the ground, you can see a bench. That was a really heavy bench, difficult to move, and all that's left are just a few scraps of that. We'll go ahead and walk across. Here's a grill. Burgers, anyone? Didn't think so. Teresa mentioned there were several. They had a couple of other grills. They're nowhere to be found. Stepping down here. So look into the pool. There's a generator in there, a lawnmower, and in fact it was actually dragged for dead bodies. Fortunately, that none were found. There's that bench I was talking about. From this point, I'll just pan the neighborhood. As you can tell, all the houses have sustained similar damage. Some are in a little better shape. Some are a little worse shape. Right here, unfortunately, a couple of neighbors lost their lives. A lot of things are being burned today to try to clean up this disaster. In the distance, you can see East Middle School, also a heavily damaged building. We're going to walk back into the house. If we can get back in there and take a look at a couple of bedrooms. It's the same. This is the family room. This sectional here is the only, there was 3 parts to that. This is the only piece that was left, and it used to be over here. Now headed back inside. We'll take a look down the hall at the bedrooms and the bathrooms. We're back going through the kitchen. Here's a closet. Things pretty intact in the closet. Here's the bathroom that saved the Thaman's life. They were behind this mattress, gripping onto the toilet and just hanging on. But this is the place where they rode out this terrible storm. This is an interior view of Kayla's bedroom. We saw that from the outside. Got to be careful here walking through the debris. Lots of boards and such. This is what's left of Dave and Teresa's bedroom. Not much. Couple of dressers, no drawers. A lot of debris. This was a third bedroom. Again, not much left of it. I'll try to step out where there's a better view. An important point to note, the closet is still standing. The bedroom, however, has no walls. Have to watch where I am stepping. I'm just going to kind of walk right back out of the house. In the living room, kitchen. I'm going to go ahead and head out here. This is the ground, the debris. It's just everywhere. Basketball goal. Know that got a lot of use at one time. I'm going to step away from the house and just kind of take it in from a little bit of a distance.